Okay, class, so welcome to another topic in Earth and Life Science. Okay? So, but before that, class, please don't forget to like or watch, like, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Blands E. Corpus. Nakasubscribe na ba kayo? Meron na? Okay, sige. Thank you very much. Sana i-ano nyo din, i-promote nyo din sa iba nyong mga kaibigan or kaklase, no? So, don't forget to subscribe. So, palagi nating i-upload para kayo ay may reviewer, di ba? This will serve also as your reviewer in our subject, Earth and Life Science. And today, our topic is all about, anong topic natin? Genetic engineering. Ako, wala akong pagsulatan. Okay, because gusto ko, nagsusulat ako. Okay, so when we talk about genetic engineering, anong ibig sabihin nito? What is the other term for genetic engineering? Ako, napakaganda ng pakinggan, no? Napakagandang pakinggan ng kanyang mga terms, ng kanyang mga words. But what is this genetic engineering all about? Okay, when we talk about genetic engineering, this refers to genetic modification, no? It is also called genetic modification. Bakit? Why do we have this genetic modification? Bakit? What is the objective of the scientists, no? Or some of the science or biologists or biology enthusiasts, no? To have this genetic modification. Or, aside from genetic modification, it is also called genetic manipulation. No? Genetic manipulation. So, what is the objective, no, ng ating mga biology enthusiasts or biologists and scientists, no, to have this genetic engineering? Bakit? What do you think is the objective? Komiso? DNA? Yes, they are trying to make use of the modification of our genes or some of the genes or the genes of some animals. Bakit? For example, no? It is because of our modern technology. So, kaya naman, wala nang imposible ngayon. No? Lahat na ma-manipulate, no? Lahat nagagawa ng paraan. No? Especially in the breeding. No? Sa breeding ng ating mga animals or ng ating mga plants, no? The plants and animals now undergo different types of breeding, no? Ano yung breeding? So we have the inbreeding, we have the selective breeding. What else? We also have the cross-breeding, no? Inbreeding, cross-breeding. We also have the hybridization or ano pa? Hybridization, yung pinalalabas natin or nagkakaroon tayo ng hybrid, no? Out of a certain variety or species of animals or plants, no? Something like that, no? During the ancient times, class, no? Practice of genetic engineering had begun. Nag-start na yan, no? And ito yung tinatawag natin na artificial selection. I kino-consider artificial selection is done to indirectly manipulate genes, focusing on the physical traits among organisms. So, kinukuha yung mga physical trait which are good enough, no, na maisalin doon sa isa pang variety. Okay? Alam niyo na kung anong tinutukoy ko? No? Pag sinabi natin genetic modification, genetic manipulation, ang ibig sabihin ng class is nagkakaroon ng iba't ibang klase ng breeding, no? Ano ba yung breed na tinatawag natin? A certain strain or variety of a species, no? Or individual. Okay? For example, mga askal. Alam niyo yung askal? Asong kalye, di ba? Some of the veterinarian are trying to crossbreed, di ba? Yung genes o yung ano bang tinatawag natin doon? Yung sperm nung aso isasalin sa may breed na aso. So, kapag nanganak si babaeng aso, nagkaroon na ng crossbreeding. Okay? So, let us try to differentiate what is inbreeding and what is crossbreeding. Okay? So, yung mga breeders class, alam niyo yung mga breeders, sila yung gumagawa. No? They are the people who are doing the crossbreeding or the inbreeding. No? Or the hybridization na tinatawag natin. Okay? Excuse me. Breeders choose which organism to mate and produce offspring with desirable traits, no? They maintain this procedure without control of what genes can be passed. No, kagaya nung sinabi ko sa inyo, no, nagko-crossbreed yung mga dogs, no? From the hybrid one and the localized or the local breed of the dogs ay nagko-crossbreeding with the hybrid puppies, no? Or with the hybrid, ano bang tawag natin doon sa nanay ng mga aso? Yung mga dogs, no? Yung mother, doggy. Okay? So, they maintain this procedure without control, no? Of what are the genes that can be passed doon sa babae, no? Selective breeding, no? Meron tayong tinatawag na different types of breeding na ginagamit or that are being used by the breeders. No, the first one is the selective breeding. No, so the selective breeding is what we call. Naku, kaya pala because of this chalk. Kaya ako allergy ako sa chalk. Kaya ang ginagamit ko ay wala naman kasi tayong projector, sira. So ang ginagamit ko ay anong tawag doon? Whiteboard marker. Wala naman tayong whiteboard, no? So, selective breeding is a process when animals with desired characteristics are mated to produce offspring with those desired traits. Okay? So, you have to take this down para kayong inaantok. Pekanya, inaantok ka ba? Anong oras kayo natutulog kasi? Selective breeding is a process when animals excuse me, when animals with desired characteristics parang lambot na lambot eh. Anong nangyari? With desired characteristics are mated to produce offspring are mated to produce offspring with desirable traits. No? Kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina sa inyo. With desired traits. No? Selective breeding. Diba? Selective breeding kasi yung animal na mayroong magandang lahi. For example, with desired characteristics are mated. No? Ano tawag na? They are mated. Alam niyo na yung mated, diba? They are mated are mated to produce offspring with desired traits, no? So, nagkakaroon ng pagpapalahi, diba? Yung tinatawag natin. So, that is what we call selective breeding, no? So, they maintain this procedure para mapaganda, no? To improve, diba? To improve the characteristics of a certain type or a certain variety, no? So that is the main purpose ng ating mga scientists o ng ating mga biologists. Bakit nagkakaroon ng inbreeding or crossbreeding or the breeding? Para magkaroon ng improvement, diba? Genetic improvement. Mapaganda, diba? Siyempre, to improve, halimbawa, yung mga swine, no? Baboy na mahina ng mga anak, 'di ba? Or hindi na masyadong nanganganak. So papalitan nila, imimit nila yung mga lalaki nila o yung mga boar doon sa mga na may mga magagandang lahi, 'di ba? Or may magagandang quality na nagbibigay ng maraming anong tawag natin dito? Maraming ano nga tawag natin doon sa mga maliliit na biik? Winlings, 'di ba? Yung mga winlings natin para piglets, no? Tapos nagiging winlings sila kapag pwede nang iwalay, 'di ba, sa mga mother o doon sa kanilang mga sow. No, ang tawag natin sa baboy na babae ay sow o yung nanay, 'di ba? The mother. Pig is sow, and then nilalahian, tinuturukan sila, 'di ba? Or nagme-mate with a boar with a good quality, no? So that is what we call the selective breeding, no? Let's say for example, yung mga Angus cows, ano yung cows? Mga baka. They are bred to increase more meat, no? So yung objective ng improvement naman is all about good quality meat, 'di ba? Para makapag-harvest sila ng magagandang meat or karne ng baka, 'di ba? So kaya nagbi-breed sila, no? Nagkakaroon sila ng breeding, okay? What about the hybridization? Hybridization are when two individuals with unlike characteristics are crossed, no? So yun ang tawag natin doon. The specific term is hybridization, no? Yung halimbawa, ang ating objective is to improve the quality of meat, 'di ba? Nagkakaroon ng breeding, no? Ito, when animals with desired characteristics are mated, so yun class ay hybridization. Okay, so may I write the word hybridization. Take this down because later on we are going to have our quiz. Okay, hybridization are when two individuals with unlike. Ano yung unlike? Magka-iba, no? With unlike characteristics are crossed to produce the best in both organisms, no? Unlike characteristics or crossed Unlike characteristics are crossed, sorry, are crossed to produce the best in both organisms. Okay, anong kasunod? They are crossed, no? To produce the best in both organisms, like the disease resistance, for example, no? To produce the best in two organisms. Okay. So this is what we call hybridization. Meaning to say, ini-improve nila, no? They are trying to improve the quality, no, of a certain individuals, or if possible, two or more organisms, no? Let's say, for example, yung hybridization, no, na ginagawa sa mga disease-resistant potato, no? Para hindi magkaroon ng mga sakit o hindi dapuan ng sakit ang mga pananim na patatas, so nagkakaroon ng hybridization. Meaning to say, pinapataas yung quality, no, ng isang strain or ng isang halaman or ng isang hayop, no? Pareho lang na hybridization ang tawag sa kanila. Okay? Another, let us try to have the inbreeding. Okay. Okay, what about the inbreeding? So, inbreeding is a technique of breeding organisms that are genetically similar. Diba? That are genetically similar in. Diba? Pag sinabi natin in, pareho, papasok, no? Pareho sila. They have the same capacity or capability or ability, no? So that is what we call inbreeding. So, is a technique. Another is a technique of breeding organisms. Of breeding organisms. Of breeding organisms that are genetically similar, no? That are genetically similar to maintain desired traits. To maintain desired traits found in a certain individual, no? Found in certain individuals. Like for example, yung dogs na, no? Na halimbawa, pareho silang hybrid. Give me a breed of dogs. Ano yun? Chihuahua. Diba? Yes. Halimbawa, inbreeding siya kapag pareho silang Chihuahua. Diba? Okay, Chihuahua to Chihuahua. No? Para ano? The objective is to preserve or to maintain the characteristics, diba? Genetically similar, to maintain desired traits na nakikita sa kanila. What is the physical feature of the Chihuahua dog? 'Diba? Maliliit sila. Ang cute-cute nila. 'Diba? So, para hindi mawala yung characteristics na yon, para hindi mawala yung traits na yon, so imi-meet siya sa parehong chihuahua. Diba? What about, okay, so that is what we call the inbreeding, no? What about yung tinatawag natin na crossbreeding, no? So, ano yung crossbreeding na tinatawag natin, no? Asa na ba yon? Okay, so I think it's here. Ayan. Ay, nangyari. Wala, nawala. Nawala, wala. Wait lang, wait. Wait. Okay.